So now let's talk about how to add headers in our HTML file. We want to add a couple of headers. So the first one is H1, header 1, the biggest one. So I simply type H1 and I press tab on my keyboard. So as you can see, this is header 1. And for example, here I simply type header 1, that's it. But you can type whatever you want. So for example, this can be the title of the page or whatever. Anyway, so this is header 1. And for adding header 2, you simply type H2 and press tab. And here you can type other things as well. And you can continue for other tags. H3 all the way up to H6. We have H1 all the way up to H6. That's it. And now in order to see what we have added and in order to see the web page that we have just created, in order to do so, we need to run this index.html. We need to open this using a browser. In order to do so, we should find the location of this file. But if you don't know the location of this file, there's no problem. You can right click on it and then click on this, which says reveal in File Explorer. So I click on it. And there we go. This is our file. So I right click on it and I want to open it using open with, and I want to open it using Google Chrome or whatever. Anyway, so I click on this. And as you can see, this is the file which we have created. So this is header 1, header 2, header 3, header 4, all the way up to header 6. So as you can see, we have added some headers. In the next video, we will talk about the paragraph tag. By the way, this was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of HTML. And you can find a link to that playlist in the description below. And also we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.